The design it is to solve a problem. So that is called as a design. So here in our day-to-day life, we are going to facing several problems. Yes. So if you are facing the problem, you just think about how to solve this problem. Yes. So how to solve the problem means it is using as a design. Yes. So that is called as a design to solve a problem. So and then next thing that is a design thinking. Okay. So the design it is a to solve a problem, and the design thinking means so we are going to give a solutions out of your boxes. That is called as the design thinking. Yes. So this is also called as some process. So how to solve a problem. Okay. So that is called as the design thinking. It is in your design thinking. We are having we just apply some your thinking process, that is some new innovation process with the help of that new innovation. So how to solve that problem. Okay, so that is called as the design thinking. And so in day to day life, in all type of environment, yes, so we are going to facing a problem. It's like as companies or some other institution or some other schools or etc. So all the places we are going to facing a problem. Okay, so based on that environment, we are going to thinking so how to solve this problem and how to apply a new thinking process to solve a problem. Yes, so this is a thing. Not only for the company side, it is if you are that is run some other business or otherwise run some other school or anything. Yes, all the places we are going to facing the problem. So that time we are going to apply a design thinking process. If you are give any solutions, yes, so just think about it is not affect for the others. Yes, so just based on this thing, we are going to think yourself and how to solve a problem. Okay. And the next thing is, so I already told that no, the problem means it is not only a single environment, it occur as a single environment. In all the environment, we are going to facing the problem. The companies is also accelerating efforts to change their cultures and foster innovation and serve customers and more effectively. So innovation or design thinking is we believe and something truly important and enduring. Yes, so the design thinking is a very important one. Yes, so in companies also, if you are changing some cultures, so that time also you are going to facing a problem. So we just think so how to solve that problem and how that culture it cannot affect for the other peoples. So based on this thing, we are going to think and solve the problem. So this is a thing. Yes, so the design it is very important. So already told that. So design is to solve the problem. That is called as a design. If any type, if take as engineering, yes. So the engineering we are having, we are applying a different technologies and we are knowing a different technologies. We are studying different technologies. So we can using that technologies. We are going to solving the problem. Yes. So that is a design. Okay. And okay, so next thing, so design is not a product. Okay, so design means it is not a product. It is the designer. It will be producers. So here, the designer it will be producers means that is a solution. Yes. So who will solve that problem? So that person is called as a designer. So that person it will solve the problem. Okay, so that's why here it is mentioned as design. It is not a product. It is a the designer will be producers. That is a process. So producers, designer producers means how to solve that problem. So what are the way? So which method we are going to use to solve the problem? Okay, and the design it is also a process that designer can felicitate. Yes. So see in this picture. So in this picture we are having a different designers. That is number of designers is there. So we are going to discuss among yourself. That is a team members, and it can find some it is a what process, so it can note it down each and every designer. Yes, so we are having a different thinking processes there. So based on this we are going to collecting all the process and we are going to store in the way of documentations what are the thinking process we are having and what are the solution we are going to find. So we can take on a paper and note it down what are the process we are going to use it to solve this problem. So we are going to take as a documentation, and among those documentations we are going to select it which one is the best, that is a solutions. If I apply this method, it is easy to solve this problem. It is also effective for the other person. So we are going to think yourself, and among this process, we are going to select it, and finally we are going to solve your problem. Okay, so this picture it can describe this thing. And the next thing, so so up to this this just what is the design thinking, just I'll give some introduction. And next, what are the agenda we are going to see in this topic. First thing, what is the design thinking, and what are the benefits of design thinking, and who is using design thinking. Yes, okay, so let us see one by one. So this is a what it is a definitions of your design thinking. So it is a human-centered innovation process that emphasizes observation, collaboration, fast learning, visualization of ideas, and rapid concept prototyping, and concurrent business analysis. It's all those things it will be included in your design thinking process. While you are find the solution for your problem, you are going to apply all those things, and we are going to solve a problem. Yes, yes. So I already told that. So design is one of solving a problem, and the thinking is that we are going to thinking out of your knowledges. Yes, so that is out of your boxes. So this is called as the definition of design thinking. And also we are going to follow some principles while solve any type of problem. So we are going to applying some design thinking process. So the first one, that is follow your curiosity, and the second thing, it is tolerate failure and embrace risk. And third one, that is accept ambiguity. And the next thing, put the user in the center and follow your guts. So all this principle, we are going to follow these principles, and we are going to solving a problem. It is very easiest one. And so this is also some definitions. And next we are going to is so some principles also we are going to follow it. So while you are finding the solutions of your problem, so we just take some structured one, that is a structured process, and also focusing on the users. Yes, so before you are going to take any decisions or any solutions, we focus first thing, that is the users, whether it is used the users or not. Okay, so and also that solutions, it is based on your structures. So we are going to use the steps and methods that are defined, and it is also power is in the whole process. It is not a individual steps. Yes, while you are solving any type of problem, it is not affected, that is it is not a single one, it is an individual one, it is whole one. So we just keep in your mind before you are going to find the solution. And next thing, scientific method, and third one, it is a diverse teams. So these are all some principles of your design thinking. And the next thing, that is innovation. So that is a design of your innovations. So we are having a three processes there. The center point of this three, it is called as the innovation. That is, we are going to innovate you a new thing. Yes, so that is the design innovations. So first one, it will be start with the customer. Yes, so we mainly focused on the customer. So overall, it is facing the problem. So that person is also a customer. And then while you are focused find the solutions, we are going to focus on the desirability, viability, and then the feasibility. Okay, so the desirability is nothing but is what to do people desire. So what are the things the people it will be desire, and viability means it is financially it is viable or not. We are going to check it. And feasibility means it is a technical and organizational feasible. So we are going to it is a what give the importance of these three things while solving the problem. So the center point, it is called as the solutions. It should hit the overlap of the three lenses. So this is the three lenses, and the center point, it is mainly focus the solutions. So this is a design innovations of your design thinking process. Okay, so and the next thing, in older days, yes, so the design means it is a design. It is one of a phase accomplished by the specialists who deliver the design. Okay, and the design process is based on the block boxes, and the design process output it will be getting from the wireframe and also for the mockups. And the designer who will designer for the older days means it is disconnected from a development hero that works alone and save the days. Okay, yes. So that's all for today's session. So in our today's session, we will discuss what are the topics we discussed remains. So what is the design thinking process and what are the principles we are going to discuss that is used in the design process, and how the design innovation we are going to create it, and we are focusing three lenses, and based on these things we are going to discuss what creating the design innovation. And finally, in older days, who were all the designer and how to solve, design the problem, and how to design the process, etc. Okay. So the remaining things we are going to see in the next class. Okay.